Hello. Hey, I'm here with another video. I have a regular, this, and this. And we about to make slime. Here we go. So, first, we're going to start with this, the lotion. Open it up, dip it in here, close it back, do only a little bit and then mix it up. See, mix it up. Oh, I feel it in there. Well, I won't feel the slime yet, but yep. Open up this and I couldn't open it. See? So I'll open it. And see? Came out. Oh. I'm about to go put it in the refrigerator and I will be back. I'll be back. Okay, back. I just put it in there, and in a few minutes, I'm gonna go back and get it and see if how did it turn out? Well, you see this right here? It's the seed, right? My brother took it out his plant. I don't know where his plant is. I don't know where he put his plant though, but I'm about to go try to look for it so I can show you. But yeah. I found it. This is it. He took it out and it's so cold right now. I'm telling you, but I'm about to put the seed back in here so the plant will grow. But he not, I think he see? Look at it. But I'm about to dig it back up in there. And you go see it. OMG, like it's leaking. See, he put too much water in it. It's leaking everywhere. Like, I'm ready to go get a paper towel. See, I'm gonna clean this up. See, look at that. Look at that. So I'm about to go run back and put this back. Because it's leaking right now and I gotta hold it from the bottom. For you to look at it. It's cold, but I'm about to put it in there. I put it in there, and that was the prank for today. I'm about to go get the slime. Here we go. We got the slime. Look. Ew. Look at it. Ew. All of that stuff that I got for this, I don't like. It's like worked, and it's black, and it turned out black too. These ingredients is crazy. Make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe if you're new. It stinks. Subscribe if you're new.